If you've ever hit send too fast and instantly regretted it, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall an email in Gmail, or more accurately, how to unsend it before it reaches the other person. This is one of the fastest and most useful Gmail tricks you can learn, especially if you caught a typo, sent the message to the wrong person, forgot an attachment, or just changed your mind seconds after sending. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want to send the email from. Once Gmail loads, click Compose and write your email normally. Add the recipient, type your subject line, and finish your message just like you would any other email. If you need to attach a file, do that before sending so everything is ready. When you're ready, click Send. This is the important part. As soon as you send the email, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Gmail will show a small message bar confirming that your message was sent. Right next to it, you'll see the undo option. You need to click undo immediately before the time limit runs out. If you click undo in time, Gmail will stop the email from being delivered and bring it back so you can edit it, correct it, or delete it entirely. If you miss that window, the message will be sent and you won't be able to recall it from Gmail in the traditional sense. So the key here is speed. The undo button only stays available for a short period, so keep your eyes on the bottom left corner right after sending. If you find yourself needing this often, it's a great idea to adjust your Gmail undo send settings. That gives you a little more time to catch mistakes before the email goes out. But even without changing anything, the process is very simple. Send the email, watch for the confirmation bar, and click undo right away. And that's it. That's how to recall an email in Gmail by unsending it before the time limit expires. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you from a lot of embarrassment or confusion. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Gmail tips and shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.